The thing with the G20 stuff is that they are not going to meet, meaning Xi and Trump, until it would be what 9:30 in the evening tonight, Chicago time. So so anything that is going to happen market-wise is not going to figure itself out until Monday because we're going to be closed. So I think we're going to have a little bit of trade early here in the day, and quite frankly, I wouldn't be surprised if they just shut it down, from 10 o'clock on. Apple's under a little bit of pressure because of John Ive is leaving the company. He's basically their design guru who's taken them through the last 20 years of iPod, the watch, everything. So they were off about a percent. I would think that that's probably going to be digested and maybe even cast aside. The stress test, I believe only Credit Suisse didn't pass. Everybody else passed. So you're going to see like the likes of Goldman. I believe it jumped like 2% there. It's up 2%. All right, so Morgan is probably up there. Yep, Morgan Stanley.